Welcome back. As promised, today we are going to do a 10-minute upper body workout. It's to complement what I did last week. So let's get started. We're going to start with shoulder rolls. We're going to be doing a 3-minute warm-up. Come do it with me. Big rolls forward, up and back, forward, up and back. And then bring your arms into it. Forward, up and back, forward, up and back. And then let's flip it around. We're going to bring your shoulders back, up and forward, back, up, forward, back, up, forward. Just a few more seconds. And then let's bring the arms into it. Back, up, forward, back, up, forward. Just 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. And now we're going to get the whole body into it. We're going to be doing marches. Come do it with me. Opposite arm and leg, raising overhead. Keep your toes flexed. We're going to be doing this for about a minute. No need to rush it. We're gently getting your heart rate up, moving through our legs, moving through our arms. We got about 30 seconds. Just really keep those arms super straight, going straight above you towards the ceiling. Find the balance in your foot. Make sure the whole foot is planted into the ground. We got 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And I want you to get into a wide stance. We're going to just shift from the right to the left. And as you do that, push your butt back to the left. Just warming up your lower body. I know we're doing upper body today, but we can't ignore the lower body. Just shifting right to left. I just want you to see what I'm doing from the profile view. We got about 30 seconds left of this. Left. All my weight's going into the foot. Butt goes back. We got about 15 seconds. You can do it. Let's just get the blood flowing. The warm-up is all about getting your mind and body prepared for the workout. 5, 4, 3, 2, and let's get started on the workout. So I'm going to have you do it with me as I demo. We're starting on the left side, and we're going to be doing, in the first exercise, just a row. So you can have your hand resting, but very lightly. We're doing this row for a full minute. Row. Keep your arms close to the body as you bring the dumbbell up. Just think the dumbbell's coming up in a straight line against gravity. So your elbows going up to the ceiling. What I don't want you to do is to shrug. No shrugging, because this is going to be more focusing on your back muscles and the back of your arms. You can feel it as we're going, right? We got 20 seconds left. Keep going. I know you feel the burn. We're just focusing one arm at a time. Here we go. 10 seconds. 8, 7, and 3, 2, 1. Shake it out a little. We're staying on the same arm. Yes, I know. What? Yes, we're staying on the same arm. I'm going to demo. You can come join me as I demo, or you can just join me right when we do the work. So you're kicking it back like this. Just kicking it back. Straight back. And if you need to shake it out, like I'm being honest with you, my arms are burning a little bit, so I'm going to shake it out for a little. I'm going to get back right to it. So just kicking it back. As you can tell, we're focusing on our triceps. You're doing great. Just keep it up. We got 30 more seconds. If you feel that burn, your muscles working. Ooh, shaking it out a little bit. We've got 25 more seconds. Kick it back. Kick it back. And remember to keep your body, your upper body from your hips on up. One long line. Hang in there. We got 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Now we're switching to the right side. Now we're going to the right side. Come join me as I demo. So hand rests lightly. You're in a little staggered stance position, and we're just going to row it straight up on the right side. We're starting, and now. Just straight up. Just think, I want you to see from the front. My arms are super close to my body. I don't want it too wide, just straight up. And then I also don't want to bring it too high. I just want to bring it so it's a couple inches in front of my chest. The best way to see is your wrist turning? You don't want your wrist to turn inside or out. It's just a very neutral position. Hang in there, we got 30 seconds. Bring it on up. Think of the beautiful arms you're making and all the things you can pick up, like your groceries. You only get stronger when you challenge your muscles. We got 10 more seconds. 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Shake it out a little. And I'm going to have you join me as we do a demo in the kickbacks. I'm going to demo, then we're doing it for a full minute. I think you remember the burn from the other side. So you're going to get down here, and remember, it's kicking it back. And let's get started. Kick it back, straight back. So what I don't want is a down, up, kick back. We're just going to, let me shake it. It is okay if you got to shake it out. Don't think that I'm perfect. I got to shake it out too. So let's kick it back. Remember, it's a very isolated area. We're just working this muscle right there. We don't normally work it in our everyday activities. If it helps you, we got 30 seconds left. Straight kickbacks. Woo! Kick back. 20 more. You got it. You got it right all along here with me. 14. 10 more seconds. 5, 3, 1. Whew. And we're going to set this down. I want you to shake it out. What I have next, I'll do a little demo. You can do it with me if you want, or you can take the rest. It's just a strict push press. That means it's a little dip and a press. You're going to dip and press. All right, we're starting. Dip and press. Dip and press. So you usually do this push press when something's a little bit heavier. The natural dip of the knee, you don't even have to think about it. The dip of the knee helps give you a little bit more power to press it up. And normally this kind of move is with a heavier dumbbell. So if you have your heavier one, I want you to switch to that heavier one. Why, you may say, why would you want to switch to a heavier one? Because that's how you get stronger. So when you extend, make sure your arm ends up straight up by your ear, right there. And in case you're wondering, how much longer, Tina? 20 seconds. We got 20 more seconds left of this. You can breathe out on the exertion. 10 more seconds. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, so let me show you what's coming up next. Same arm, I know, it feels like a burnout. So I'm gonna come do it with me if you want, or you can start on our official work time. You're gonna go from here and bring it up. So think of bringing it up in the most efficient way possible. Keep the dumbbell close to your body. I'm just gonna reach down, but you see I'm using my butt to reach back, and I'm using a lot of momentum to bring it up. What I don't want you is to bring the dumbbell out in front of you. Keep it really close to your body as you bring it from down here to up here. Down here to up here. As you can see, it's super close to my body, and I don't want you to go slow where it's like that And then I want you to use the momentum. You should feel your heart rate coming up as you do this. Reach it down and up. We got 15 seconds left. You got this. And up. Bring it down gently. And up. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. All right. We're almost done with our upper body workout. We're going to go to the other side. Right side. Just 2 more things, and then you're done. So remember the push press. It's just going to be on the right. It's a knee dip to a press. And let's get started. Knee dip to a press. A little knee dip and press. I'm going to turn so you can see what it looks like from the side. Knee dip and press. Knee dip and press. And just keep going. You're just going. We got 40 seconds left. And after this, you will be donezo. So dip and press. Dip and press. We got 25 more seconds. I'm going to just show you from the side how I use my dip to give me power. Use the dip to give you power. Dip, power. Dip, power. 10 seconds left. You got this. 10. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We've got one more exercise. One more exercise. I'm going to show you. This time it's the right side. It's coming down and bringing it up. You're going to come down and bring it up. So in slow motion, it'll look like this, but I want you to go super fast. I want you to just think, how do I bring it up? You're tossing it up to the ceiling. So it's coming down and coming up. Down and up. You got this. We got 40 more seconds. And up. We're halfway there. 30 more seconds. Don't even focus on the time. All you're going to think about with me is getting this done. And I will let you know when we're almost there. I promise. Whew. Oof. 10 more seconds. 10 more seconds. You can do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whew. You're done. And right now, I would love for you to stretch a little bit. I'll do a whole nother video on how to cool down after a workout. But if you've liked this video, you know the drill. Please remember to like this or subscribe down below. And I'll see you next time.